welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can work your way to your first ring dip. Now most of us are stuck at home, and either we can crib about the gyms closing and us staying at home, or we can work and utilize this time to learn a new skill. So today I'm going to show you how you can get your first ring dip, but before that let me tell you what you need to get or to work towards, doing your first ring dip. The first one is push-ups. Yes guys, you heard it right. You need to have at least 8 to 10 strict push-ups to even get into the rings. So if you do not have push-ups, this video is not for you. You can give a tata bye-bye and move on. But if you're one of those people who have strict push-ups, then this video is for you, so keep watching. The second thing you will need is a resistance band like this. I will let you know in a while why you need a band like this. I have ordered this band from Amazon, and I have added the link in the description for you guys to check it out if you guys want to buy the resistance band. And the next thing you will need is these rings. Again, I have ordered these rings from Amazon. I have added the link in the description. You can go and check it out. I have used a pull-up bar to make these rings in this way, but this pull-up bar is not necessary. If you have hooks or something, like you guys are intelligent people, you guys can figure it out how to make your rings like this. But because in my home I have no hooks or something, so I've used a pull-up bar. Alright, so let me tell you the first thing you should be learning to get your first ring dip. The first is a hold, okay? So whenever you are working your way to a ring dip, the first thing you should learn is you should be able to jump and hold in this position. Okay, now whenever you're doing this, the one thing which you should keep in your mind is that you should keep the rings close to your body. Okay, so make sure your arms are completely straight and you keep those arms close to your thighs. So if the rings go away from you, and then you won't be able to hold on to those rings. So you should be able to keep the rings as close to you as possible. Also make sure that you keep your core engaged and point your toes forward, slightly out. Okay, so from here you're going to hold on to those rings. You're going to jump up, get into this hollow position and hold it for as long as you can. Now when you are starting out, holding on to this rings is going to be a tough thing. So first start with like 5 seconds, then you can increase the time to 10 seconds, 15 seconds and so on. So once you are comfortable holding on to these rings for like 30 seconds, then you can go to the next point, okay? The next point is negatives. So what are negatives? From here you jump up, you are already comfortable in this position. From here you start lowering yourself down. Go low, get your shoulders close to the rings, place your feet on the ground and jump up again. This is a negative. So try to go down as slow as possible. What this movement will do is basically it will increase your upper body strength, number one, and number two, you will get used to the movement. Okay, make sure that you don't go straight down, like don't keep your chest upright. In this position you'll have to try and take your shoulders as close to the rings as possible. I'm going to show you guys one more time. From here jump up, and from here lower your shoulders down, go down and then put your feet on the ground and then repeat the same thing. So once you get comfortable at this position, then comes the next part when you will be using a resistance band. So you will be doing ring dips now, but you will be doing assisted ring dips. How it goes is you are going to place the band on the ring like this. From here you jump up, and this is a little bit tricky. You can take help from somebody. You're going to put your knees on the band. From here you go down and come up. So what this does is this band literally lifts little bit of your body weight and it assists you to come up. So once you are comfortable with negatives, the previous thing, only then you move on to this one. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time. When you're doing it for the first time, make sure there is somebody close to you so that it helps. So you place the band like this on the ring, hold it firmly. The same goes with the other ring as well. Hold it firmly. From here, you're going to jump up. Once you are in this position, you need to place place both your knees on the band for support. Then you go down and then you come up. Okay, so this is assisted ring dip. Once you are comfortable with this, then obviously comes the main unassisted, RX ring dip, where you are going to do it strict. From here, you jump up, get the rings close to your thighs, go down, and then again push your body all the way up. Alright? Okay guys, so these are the progressions which you can do to get your first ring dip. If you want me to post more of these tutorial videos, then drop in a comment below. I'll be glad to make more of these videos. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, take a moment right now and hit that red subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.